Imagine building 100 identical phones repeating every single step yourself.
Early programmers faced the same problem. They kept writing the same instructions again and again.
So developers came up with a better idea. Write the instructions once, give them a name, and reuse them whenever they're needed.
This is a function. Think of it as a named set of instructions. Once you define it, you can run it whenever you need.
Creating a function doesn't run it. It simply stores the instructions. Every time you call the function, those same instructions run again. Functions power almost everything you use every day. Logging in, sending emails, processing payments, and placing online orders. Functions let you reuse code. This keeps it organized. It makes building apps easier. But what if the same function needs different information every time it runs? That's exactly what parameters solve. I'll see you in the next ByteAhead AI Deep Dive.